Hi everyone, welcome back to our retention series. This is number 5 in our series, so we're getting towards the end. So today we're going to really dig deep and look at how we at Mobile Fit tackle a lot of the areas of member retention. So over the last few weeks we've really covered a lot of retention principles that really drive high member retention. A lot of this research that we've discussed has been modelled from really high retention performing clubs. So just to quickly recap on what we covered in the past, we talked about how important it is to focus on retention and how it's important to monitor our retention results. We also talked about activating members and how important that first 3 months is in creating a habit of exercise. We talked about member to trainer connection as well, and how that members need to feel supported to get them over that initial hurdle and initial inertia of becoming a new member. The next time we talked about the importance of risk rating and how declining usage is always a red flag in terms of the likelihood of a member leaving or cancelling. We also talked about member-to-member connection and how members that do group fitness and train with friends and family have much higher retention rates. And finally, we also discussed incentives and how that can be a really powerful way to use external motivation to keep members on track early whilst they develop that habit. So today I'm going to share with you how we at Mobile Fit tackle all of these areas. We're going to actually look into our system and we'll have a look at some of our screenshots and exactly how we help health clubs tackle these areas and improve on these areas. So I'll be sharing a lot of screenshots with you and taking you through that. So let's have a look.
Okay, so have a look here. Mobile Fit gives each club a dashboard with key metrics. We talked about how important it is to focus and monitor retention. Mobile Fit has key performance indicators that you can see here built into the system, so clubs can track how they're going. As you can see, one of the key factors we measure is utilization. Now, utilization or exercise compliance has been shown to have a real strong correlation with retention. So this is one of the key areas we track. We also track new evaluations, or how many people are being signed up to the club each week with a program. So we like to measure that, and we also then measure attrition risk. So through the risk rating algorithms built into Mobile Fit, we look at the percentage of members or the number of members that are considered a critical risk. Okay, so moving on. For those of you that don't know, Mobile Fit is what we call an exercise tracking system. So it allows you to create interesting workout programs for members and then monitor how they're progressing. We talked about how important that first 3 months is to create the habit of regular exercise. So Mobile Fit's a tool to make sure and monitor that members are actually staying on track. So as you can see here, the system gives you clear indications of how members are progressing with graphs and so forth. Now the system really does the hard work for you. So once a member has been assigned a program, it'll monitor their progress and will identify those people that pose a retention risk. Okay, we're running out of time, so we'll keep moving and we'll start to discuss the next retention principle, which is member to trainer connection. So Mobile Fit has a number of communication tools built in that are designed to more actively engage members. So we found email a great medium to engage and support members. So the inbuilt messaging system allows trainers to follow up with members early in their program to see if they need more support. The member can also use the Mobile Fit kiosk to leave messages or ask questions for their trainer to receive advice back when they're available. And that's one of the big challenges for health clubs. We've found that staff can only support 5 to 15% of members during any given week. So Mobile Fit allows the communication process to be optimized by allowing members to communicate with their trainer whenever they want to.